What's up? Today I want to talk about BitClout. I'm actually an investor, an early investor in this project, and there's a lot of information going around, and I just want to give my 2 cents on why I'm an investor and why I think this is a great project. A lot of people say that taking people's personas, whether it be their brand or their personal image, and making that profitable for them is a bad thing. And yeah, they might have some legal ramifications or even some ground to stand on to sue BitClout, but at the same time, it's nothing that I don't see is a big enough bump in the road to slow them down. There obviously is a lot of people behind this coin that are of value, and I really think that if someone was like, oh, I don't want to be on here. I don't want to have people be able to buy me like I'm a, stock or I'm an investment in a company, then I don't see BitClout having a problem taking them off the platform at all. And if someone bought into those coins, I have no problem seeing them. Oh, well, we'll just give them back their BitClout coins that they originally started with to buy the creator coin. So those, in my eyes, are really good positives. And the reason I also like it is because it creates this controversy. Kanye West once said in one of his songs that controversy makes for the best content. And I think that the more that this like small little tinder of celebrities like Pam Anderson or, meme personalities like Dude with a Sign or bands like Echo Smith and all these Drake Bell from Drake and Josh, the Nickelodeon TV show, all these like small celebrities, I slowly believe that as like more time goes on, that they're going to be able to really create this fire, and that everyone's going to be looking around and being like, why don't I have a creator coin? I like the name too, like BitClout. It helps the normal person that's not into cryptocurrency get into cryptocurrency, which is something that I've always wanted people to do, and now they have a reason to. Now they can have their favorite skateboarder or anyone that's a public figure be able to be on there. I think it's too early to know if it's a scam or not. A lot of people are saying, it's BitConnect 2.0. But, I mean, I saw BitConnect from a mile away, and I never got involved in any of that. But if I would have been able to buy it at 25 cents a coin and then sold it at its peak at 400, that would have been great for me as an investor. But I think that this project is something to be looked at and to throw a couple bucks at. Don't throw your whole portfolio at it. Don't bet everything on it. I personally don't have any money in any of the creator coins. I just believe in BitClout, and that's where my money is. But I wanted to come on and talk a little bit about it because I've seen all this BitClout information and what my thoughts are on it. I've been posting a lot of social media about it. If you're interested, you can go to bitclout.com. You can buy BTC, transfer it over to those tokens, and right now it's at $148 a coin or something like that. But I hope that your investments are good, and that's just my opinion. If you have some comments below, please leave them. I would like to hear them, and let me know what you think. See you guys later. Peace.